Hey everyone, this is Dan at Performance Motorworks. We're out in the workshop today because we're going to talk about a technical topic that comes up quite a bit, and that is, what do I do if my check engine light or my service engine soon warning light comes on in my car? It's a great question. We get it pretty much on a daily basis. So first of all, before we tell you what to do, I probably should explain to you what it is and why. So first of all, the check engine light and the service engine soon light are both the same thing. It just depends on the generation of vehicle that you have. So that's the first thing that you're going to want to know. The second thing that you need to know is that it is an emissions warning. And so those lights are going to come on anytime the smog emissions have a problem on your vehicle. So if you're polluting the environment, they want to get you in to where we can look at it and get to the bottom of that and get it fixed. So what do you do? Well, first things first, pay attention to how the car is running. If it's running rough, or if you're making any kind of abnormal noise, then obviously that's not good. So you want to try to get off to the side of the road when it's safe to where you can kind of evaluate it. If the light is flashing, that's also not good. That means that the engine's misfiring and not running right, and you could be maybe creating damage to your catalytic converter, which is an expensive component that you don't want to have to replace if you don't have to. So if the light comes on solid and you're driving down the road and everything seems normal, sounds normal, then you probably don't need to be too alarmed. You can just kind of just be in tune with the vehicle, maybe turn the radio off for a little while, turn your podcast off, and just kind of pay attention to how it's running. And as soon as you get to a safe place, give us a call and schedule an appointment where we can get it in and take a look at it. So hopefully that helps to kind of decipher, when it's more of an emergency and when it's not. And again, you can always call us on the road and we can answer any questions you might have. Phone number here again, 916-624-9656. Again, if you're in a BMW, a Volkswagen, an Audi, or Mercedes, those are the lines that we service, and we're here to help. Don't forget our website, pmwonline.com. Hope to see you soon, and drive safe, everyone.